Hey team, let's talk about outsourcing. In other words, you don't need to do everything yourself. Whether you're in a small business or not, you can outsource things. You would have heard me say in the past, you got too much to do and not enough time to do it in. Then this is one of the ways of getting around that. So you outsource the things that you can, like walking the dog or getting the lawns done or getting the shopping done. But if you're in small business, you're looking at who can you outsource your accounting to, or your bookkeeping, or your social media, those sorts of things. Or yeah, whatever it might be. I was just going to say blog posts. Those sorts of things you can outsource to somebody else. Now, only outsource if in outsourcing you can leverage your time to do more of what you're good at. And as an example, I put it as if you were just for fun, if you were $75 an hour, then give the task to somebody else at a lesser rate, so you can do tasks that are worth $75 an hour and get you greater return. So it's all about outsourcing. Where can you outsource? What can you outsource? Where can you give something to somebody else so you can get on and do the work that is more suited to you to get you more of the results you're after? All right, that's it for now. Go forward, create some success. Leave your comments down below in regards to what you would outsource. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.